Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, and today I will show you how we can put this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you'll want to grab a cable, plug it into your computer, and we can connect it right away to our device. At least I think, wait, do we? Actually, I'm gonna wait for this one. So, once you're ready, click on the power button, turn off or power off. The device will turn off, and from there we will want to hold our power button and volume up at the same time. And when you start holding these two buttons, you want to also plug it in at the same time. So plug in, hold, let go of the power button when you see the Galaxy, and there is a recovery mode. Now you might notice that it's a little bit gutted in terms of like what we have access to in here. We have reboot system now, wipe data, and power off. So we can only factory reset it from here, while the two other options are just two different ways of leaving this mode. Now to navigate in this mode, you will need to use volume buttons, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So I'm going to stick with the first one, reboot system now, confirm it, and this will bring me back into Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.